Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the Caltech booth, and here we have the new KS7 shotgun by Caltech. It's lighter and thinner with an MSRP of $495. We're gonna let Daniel tell you more about it, but I have to say, it is pretty light. It holds 7 loads of 12 gauge. Daniel, have at it.
Absolutely right. We're new for 2019. Caltech's got the KS7 12 gauge. We went down to a single mag tube, made the whole thing thinner, lighter, probably more practical for your average homeowner. We've got some M-lock slots now integrated onto the front slide and the integrated carry handle, so you can add any type of M-lock accessories, flashlights, and so forth. We have a nice high-vis triangular fiber optics front sight built in, so you're ready to go right out of the box. You don't have to add any sights to it. Ready to rock just like it is. Made several refinements since the earlier KSGs. You should notice that the action's a good bit smoother. Things should run great. $495 MSRP. Look for it coming soon, 2019. I think it'll be a hit.
And here's one in Desert Tan. The thing I like about this is that it has ambidextrous controls. The action lock is right here. Very smooth cycling, and it's very compact and lightweight with an MSRP of $495. I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna try to get one of these to the range and show you guys everything that it has, but check out the size of that. It's pretty nice. I like it. I think you will too. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.